What's the meaning of county council? County council. County council.
County council. County council. A county council is a governing body that is responsible for the local governance of a county. It is composed of elected officials who make decisions and policies for the region, including managing finances, providing public services, and overseeing infrastructure projects. The county council also has the power to levy taxes and set budgets for various departments and programs. In general, the goal of a county council is to improve the quality of life for residents living within their jurisdiction.